Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Bank of America alerts for spending and budgeting, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to the Bank of America website. Log into your account using your username and password. Navigate to the main dashboard once you are logged in. Look for the Alerts option in the menu, usually found under Profile or Settings. Click on Alerts to open the Alerts configuration page. You will see various alert options related to account activity. Select the Spending and Budgeting Alerts section. Review the different types of alerts available. Choose alerts for spending limits, unusual transactions, or budget notifications. Click on the checkbox next to each alert that you want to enable. Next, look for the Manage Preferences or Notification Settings link. Here, you can choose how you want to receive these alerts. Options may include email, text message, or push notifications. Select your preferred method of notification for each alert type. If you opt for text messages, make sure to enter your phone number. Save your preferences after making your selections. Review your settings to ensure everything is correct. You can also set limits on spending alerts for added control. After confirming your settings, exit the Alerts page. You will now receive notifications based on your selected preferences. Regularly check your alerts to stay updated on your spending. If needed, you can return to the Alerts page to make adjustments later. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.